Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing something that I thought I would have done a long time ago, but nevertheless here we are 2020 and I'm getting it done. So I finally did my first order at the Grove Collaborative and I got it in and I'm so excited. The shipping was super fast and the products that I picked up, I'm super excited about them. They're products that I've seen other YouTube mamas use or just different people in general that have been raving about them. So I said I want to try them out myself. Some things that I use myself, but I just picked up from there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Okay, so it comes with a little card. My Grove guide was John. And I'll look at that later. Thanks, John. Appreciate you, I think. Let's make sure. Packaged it for safety. Now, it's not a big haul by any means. Some people go on there and like buy the whole website up. Y'all, I have to stay in my own lane. That's what 2020, I gotta stay in my lane and I know my lane. So I'm staying in it. So this is what I picked up. Let's see. So I'll pick the first thing I picked up. This is tried and true. It is near and dear to my heart. This Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. And I replaced my Clorox toilet bowl or Lysol, whichever one I was using for this, and I have not turned back. It has not led me astray. I will not leave this. Keep this forever Method because it's my favorite. I picked up the Method all-purpose cleaning wipes in the pink grapefruit scent, and so these are going to be for my son to use to clean his bathroom, just because I don't always like him to be using like Clorox wipes or just all the chemicals in it. So I tend to be more the chemical user and I keep him to more natural stuff. So before we were using 7th generation wipes, and I feel like another one too, but I picked these up. We're gonna give these a try. Okay, I have been wanting this like my whole life. No, not my whole life, but the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner in the apple cider scent. I don't care if fall has passed. I'm definitely gonna be giving this a try, and then I'll probably use some and then put it away for fall for next year. Let me know, do these last? I also picked up the peppermint scent, and it is still winter, so I picked up the peppermint scent and I'm really excited to try this one out. I actually picked up 2 of the peppermint scents. That's how excited I am. I picked up the Caldrea countertop spray, and this is in the Pear Blossom Agave scent, and Style by Casanova had talked about this, and when she opened up the package, she took a sniff and she was like, you guys, and she was all juiced about it, and I was like, oh, I gotta try that. And it is good. It is good. It is good. I like the scent. I can't wait to use it. So this is definitely, I can see myself using in the spring because I'm going to try these fall and winter babies over here. And then I'm going to bust this one open. So I'm excited about that. Because that scent, I also picked up the dish soap in the Pear Blossom Agave. And I don't know them, and I use this for dishes because y'all know I love my Dawn. I'm trying to figure out exactly what I'm going to do, but I picked it up because I just wanted to have it. I also picked up the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Dish Soap, and same thing. I'm not really sure because I love my Dawn, but I wanted to pick it up to have it in my collection. So We'll see what I use it for. I might try it for dishes, but I don't know that I'm going to be in love with it. Who knows? It might be earth shattering. So let me give it a chance. I'm not even going to jeopardize it right now. I'm going to try them. Oh, I picked up this Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day hand soap in the plum berry scent. So let's see. It smells so good. It smells so good. And this is another, she didn't, Style by Casanova, she did not get this, but she got, I believe it was like the body wash, but she was like, the scent was everything. And so when I seen it in the hand soap, I was like, ooh, let me try it. And the scent is everything. So Plumberry, get you some. What else? What else? Oh, okay. So, who was it? Come on. I think it was This Crazy Life Vlog. Had talked about this Bon Ami, and I like that it doesn't have, it's not supposed to have any like harsh chemical or anything in it. It's supposed to be pretty good. No harsh chemical, and it's non-toxic. So I definitely am going to be trying this out. I picked this up. It was like $1.50 or something like that. Like, you can't beat that with a stick. So pick that up. I think I picked up 2. Yep, picked up 2 of those for the price. Can't beat it. Walnut scrubber sponges. So everybody is always talking about how these are so amazing. So I got some. So let's see how it goes. Oh, this is a glass spray bottle with a silicone sleeve. Bro gave this to me for spending some money. So that's cute. And then it came with this, which is the glass cleaner, orange and rosemary. It's a concentrate. And we'll see how it goes, because y'all know I have Spray Away still waiting to be used. I've got the Jaws glass cleaner that I am head over heels in love with. So, and then I still have some more, what is it? Hope's Perfect Glass. So we'll see when I get to this. It's liquid. I thought it would, I don't know what I thought, if I'm honest. Also, for spending money, I got the stoneware tray. So I'm excited to set up my little goodies on here in my kitchen. Okay, now this is something I have been wanting my whole life. And it is the Bubble Up Dish Brush thing. Because I see y'all, and y'all be over there like, and I'd be like, I want to do that, but I don't have nothing to do that. So I haven't had the opportunity. So I'm so excited to finally be able to scrub, scrub, scrub. 2020. I got a replacement because I know that I clean hard, so I knew I would need one sooner than later, so I figured go ahead and do so now. I picked up these coconut scouring pads. So, you know, when you have some hard stuck on something and you need to scrub it out, these seem like they'll do the job. And they're made from coconut shells and recycled fibers, so it is good, and I'm excited to try them. I think that was it. Yep, that was it. That's everything I picked up from the Grove Collab. Let's try that again. That's everything I picked up from the That's everything I picked up from the Grove Collaborative. If you guys are interested in seeing what I think about any of these products, stay tuned here on my channel, because I'm going to be using them, and I will let you know then and there what I think. If it's something that you need to pick up or something that you don't need to waste your coins on, I will definitely let you know. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload from me. 2020 is going to be a lot of cleaning, a lot of organizing, a lot of decluttering, decluttering a lot of mom life and working mom life and just routines, different things going on, just trying to get everything in order. Nobody is perfect. Nobody is, has all of their stuff together, but I'm definitely trying to get my stuff together as much as I can. So I would love for you guys to join me in this journey. Click that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below so I can get to know you better, and join my tribe if you haven't already. Stay blessed.